Happy morning, everybody, and afternoon and night, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to our live stream, the only live stream that told you Bitcoin might take a shit. And, and yeah, man, what's up, Jumbo? What's up?
What's up, CM? What's up? What's up? Yeah, I do believe. Look, I wouldn't say that we're the only ones, right? Because the only one is our member over here that is lurking, and maybe you can say hello. The only one, if you're here, say hello. But we definitely, I think, one of the only ones, at least, live streaming, maybe the only ones, but not a lot of people, not a lot of people can detach from the hope of continuation from the reality of price action like we did, right? Look, we just understood the mechanics are stacking up for a probability of way down. And we said it here many times. We said, hey, there is a good probability of a meltdown. So we just need to be ready for shorts. And we took shorts. All right. Why? Because we understood the probabilities. That's it. And now shorts have been printing. I actually told, my membership today to get out at least 70-80% of all the shorts out and keep maybe 30 to 20% as a runner to see where they can go. And of course, keep taking profits into this weakness. Dude, that's what we do. I mean, no emotions, no attachments. We are just searching for where the money wants to, go. What the market wants to pay us. That's what we're asking ourselves, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Very bad stuff. I'm gonna share with you guys these charts. Really, if you are a perma bull, go home, and cry for mommy because I'm gonna share with you guys some nasty charts that signs that I see on Bitcoin that might freak you out. All right. So again, this is not a financial advice. We're not telling you nothing what to do. We're just sharing with you data from the charts. And yeah, I'll show you. Let me show you. Let me show you some stuff that warned me a lot and that's showing that we might start at a bear market. Okay, this is Bitcoin. Okay, this is Bitcoin. You can see it's now breaking below the 200-day MA. Let me take a clean chart here for Bitcoin. You can see the 200-day MA now breaking. Okay. Again, it can bounce from it. Of course, you can get a bounce. You can rebound from it. But at the moment, it's not looking good, breaking below the 200-day MA. Now, if you go back, we showed you the chart already. Where is it? Oh man, come on! How many types you have? Do you have a lot of typing to do?
Oh, you hear me? You just tell me that
Oh
you hear
man,
me.
that's like man, I cannot even focus. Anyway, this is the big chart, the regular chart for Bitcoin. This is the cycle top trend line. No one is talking about it. Okay, on the regular scale, you just hit it in December 2024. You hit it in November 2021. You hit it in March 2021, and you hit it in December 17. Okay, this is the cycle top trend line for Bitcoin on linear scale. It's not, you're not fucking with this. Okay, this is a top. In my opinion, we topped. Okay, Bitcoin topped, and I will show you why as well. Look on the monthly here with the stochastic RSI. Just I'll show you the bigger chart. Okay, if you don't have the data here on the KuCoin nonsense. Okay, let me show you this one, the index. All right, so you can see this is the stochastic RSI, just made a lower high on the monthly, crossing down bad with a bearish divergence. What happened here as well? Right here, you had a higher high and you had a lower high on the monthly stochastic. Okay, so again, this is signs of peaking out, of exhaustion of trend. And again, we told you as well that the Bitcoin Elliott wave cycle could be done, man. Okay, this is the Bitcoin Elliott wave cycle. I see. Now you had your first leg here. This was your first leg. Then you had this was the second leg. Third leg here. Fourth leg, and now the fifth leg, 200K. Now again, a lot of people were expecting 120, 130 to 450 for this leg, but now it looks like there is a risk that this was the top because it's pulling back dramatically. And if you see the monthly as well, monthly put in we're gonna close it in 14 hours, this monthly. So this is bearish as F. This is bearish engulfing. from the top, and that's not looking good, man. That's not looking good for Bitcoin. Again, we're gonna keep you posted. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it on your Twitter, share these lives on Twitter. It really help us, man, get to more people, because this is important, man. People are gonna get destroyed in 2025 if we're now going into a bear market. Now, one more chart I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna stop talking. The USDT, the dollar. The dollar is now breaking out. Okay, breaking out, and the dollar is in a bull market. That's why I'm not bullish on crypto. The dollar is in a bull market from October 2024. Pretty much, it broke out of the base, and now it's made like a retest, and it looks like a falling wedge, a breakout. And you had a breakout yesterday of the dollar, kinda on this candle. And look what happened to Bitcoin. Imagine if the dollar will start ticking up, and we have also the CPI coming on the 12th of March. Bitcoin will get wrecked, and your altcoins will get completely rugged. I have many charts to show you that will scare the F out of you, but these are the major one. Man, the dollar, look, in our community, we talked about the bullishness of the dollar, the strength of the dollar. We knew about it. It's not new for us, okay? Our members are defensive. They are not playing aggressive. They sitting in cash for the last 3 months. Since October, we played aggressive on the long, and that was it. Since then, we're defensive, and we mainly short. February, we shorted, man, most people losing money. What do you think, Jomo? What do you think about that?
Yeah, man. I've talked about this for many weeks right now, even on the lives, and of course, in our membership and in our community. I talked about the high possibility of going down because of what I've noticing that is happening in the United States. Look, we had a few signals that happened, right? One, we had a very big technical signal, right? Bitcoin had a very hard time to stay above the $100,000. Okay, now this is a golden tip that I can give all our audience. Okay, so listen carefully. Whenever an asset, a very important asset that you're following, reaches a round psychological number, right? It can be 10, it can be 100,000, or in this case, $100,000, a huge round psychological number. What you want is that if you surpass it, all right, you want it to be broken cleanly and not revisited back. Okay, that's just the dynamics of how round numbers work. For some reason, I don't know even how to explain it. Okay, round numbers need to be respected. Now, the moment the $100,000 was not respected, once I already got cautious. I already told CM, look, CM, I'm not loving this. It's like kind of the unwritten rule has been broken. Now, these are timeless principles. It's not something that I have invented. If you are, a reader of books and you have read, for example, the book about Jesse Livermore back in the early 1900s, what is it, like Operation or Stock Operator? What's the name of it? Reminiscence of a Stock Operator. Okay,
Yeah.
He talks about it even then, about how the importance of big psychological round numbers. Okay, so that was the first issue. We couldn't remain above the $100,000. That was a big red flag for me technically, right? Now, we had more red flags and more red flags about, for example, Trump inauguration. Supposedly, he should have put a reserve of Bitcoin. Everything should have exploded, and it didn't. Right? It didn't explode. We actually went down, all right? And kind of the top was once we saw that Solana broke to new highs because of the Trump meme coin, but it went all the way back down with the Trump meme coin. So, and you saw a few meme coins, one after the other, being rug pulls. Trump, kind of a rug pull, not a real rug pull, but kind of rug pull, right? Melania, rug pull. The Libra thing, rug pull. Car, rug pull, more and more things. So all these, aspects together, even though I wasn't 100% convinced, because you can never be 100% convinced on something, but gave me a sense of high probability that we're going to go down. Now take into account that within the United States, CM, There are issues, right? The Fed, are lefties. They're fighting Trump, which is a righty, supposedly. They don't want to help him right now to pump the economy, so they're not decreasing rates. And there is inflation talks and all that, BS and tariffs and so on. Look, so much pressure, and we just understood that how the probabilities are so high. Now, do I think it's over? I can't really know.
Do you think the bull is over?
Oh, actually, someone is asking what I'm about to say. It's only speculation from here on, right? Right now, I can say two things. First, we were ready for shorts, right? Why? Because we saw the probabilities. We got ready. We got ourselves ready, and we got our members ready for shorts, right? We were ready to trigger really aggressive shorts, and we did. We took aggressive shorts. Okay, so that's the one thing. I don't care about what's going to happen because I did the correct execution for this specific market. Okay, now that's the main important thing. Now, speculation, importance aside, let's talk about speculation, CM. I know that me and you maybe are in the against one side of the other. It doesn't matter because eventually we're going to trade the market. But I think that there is a good possibility that there's something is going to happen in the United States because they need to come to an agreement about the expense rate. All right, they have a limit. It's called the debt ceiling. Okay, they will have an exchange about it. They will fight about it. Republicans, Democrats, blah 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 blah, and the debt is going to be the debt ceiling is going to be raised, and the interest rates on the yield right now are going to go higher. So they're going to have issues repaying debt in the United States. I think that is going to lead to a printing of money. And I think that will be the liquidity that maybe the market need, either to just bounce, maybe a double top or whatever, maybe a lower high, I don't know, or maybe to new highs, depends how aggressive, this, printing of money might be. And by the way, that coincides with, a strong dollar because yields are rising and debt ceiling and blah, 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 and tariffs and so on. So it all coincides. But again, this is merely speculation. Right now, we're focused on shorts. We took shorts. I already told my people to be 70-80% out of the shorts by now because we printed money. And now we're moving on to the next, the next step. We're thinking about it. So that's how we operate, CM. That's how we operate.
The bull is over.
Yeah. That's what CM thinks.
I think the bull is over. I think
the bull is over.
I think the top is in, and I think you're gonna have maybe or now this month in March a fake bounce. Okay, maybe to a new high again. But I think the major top was the after the push of November. You might get another fake higher high, and maybe, but I don't think so. Now it's we have a high risk. I think that the probabilities of a cycle top are increasing dramatically now. In my opinion, 80% the top is in. The bull market is over. But again, most people think bull market is over. Man, trade it. Even in a bear market, you're going to have amazing trades to take. Don't think like that. Don't think bull market is over, bear market is over, Think, where is the next trade? I'll show you. Let me show you again. I'm going to show you another chart or two, and then I want to show you also, we're not playing games, okay? We saw the strength of the dollar. We saw the Bitcoin weakness. And we went short, man. Where is my shorts? Okay, you can see this is all my shorts. Again, I'm not trading all in on the shorts because it's not a bear market confirmation yet for me. I'm waiting for some more signals. But I have some nice profits here. You can see on my Kaspa, I'm up. I already booked 1K, 1.2, and I have another 900 unrealized. So I'm gonna let it ride. I have the Solana one I booked already, 1.5. And I'm going to let the rest ride a little bit to see what maybe they're going to collapse completely, and let me show you. I want to show you. I wanted to show you as well. Leave it. We don't need to show you because we already talked about it. The S&P, okay, the S&P, the Nasdaq, all right, all these charts, the MSTR. We talked about it on the lives all the time. these are not looking good, man. They look like a top, man. They look like a top. You have to follow the general market. Jomo, the chapter of William O'Neill book. Always listen to the general market.
Always.
It's actually the most important when you do the market breadth analysis, or when you do your barometer, or when you're looking on trading aggressive or not aggressive. The general market, what the general market is doing, what the indexes are doing, the S&P, what they're doing. And now we are not in a good situation, Jomo. You need some major revolution, because the dollar is fucking bullish. You need the printing of the Fed to send the dollar down, just like it did in 2020, 2021.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
If it's not going to happen, we're not going to have the same.
No, for sure.
And you guys, the altcoin hodlers will never get the alt season. Without a weak, thick dollar, you're never going to get the altcoin market.
No.
Because we know it, we've been there. The only reason we had an alt season, it's not the tech, it's not Ethereum, it's not all this garbage. You just
money printing.
Money printing, exactly. Money printing, and a dollar in a bear market.
Look, the 2020, 2021 alt seasons, man, it was an anomaly. People don't get it. It was an anomaly. People were home. They got money, helicopter money at home. They had no expenses. You couldn't buy anything. They were bored out of their asses. Dumb retail money, dumb money came into the markets, just buying everything. It exploded. All risk assets exploded. And CM, share what I'm trying to share over here, because people maybe don't understand what we do, right? This is from my membership and our membership, right? It's from 11 days ago, okay? This is the focus list from February 17th, right? These are the setups I was looking at. Look how many shorts, all right, were setups that we took.
Recapitulation, man. The people that took the Ray short are fucking printing money.
Oh yeah, man. Some people took the Ray short too. But look,
I can't believe I missed the Ray short, man.
It's okay, man. It's okay,
man.
No,
it's not okay.
You took others. Look, the most important thing is that this is how we prepare. We do our work, right? We prepare. I had even long trades here because I was getting ready for potential scenarios, because while we were looking at the chart, we saw a squeezing and a contraction of price on Bitcoin. And we understood that for me, it was a 60-40 chance. 60 is going to go down, 40 is going to go up, more or less. And I was ready, all right? The thing is that there weren't many setups to the long side. All right, that's why I have only 2, but there were many setups to the short side. That's why we had more conviction going into shorts. And people that follow this, and of course, I shared as well the individual charts, okay, on the trades to follow exactly stop losses and take profits and everything, because that's part of our service, okay? But this is what we do, all right? This is what we do. Look, listen, folks, you've been here for a while, right? And you know us, but some people that are new here and think that we try to bash coins. Some people, again, CM, some people are actually blaming us for, decreasing the market, for pushing the market down. Like we are, I don't know, people think we're like George Soros or Warren Buffett money. Dude, we don't have billions of dollars. What do you think? What do people think we are, right? We're just trying to illustrate and show you how to think and act like real traders, how to think and act like real investors, right? You need to listen to the market, listen to the clues of the market, create different types of scenarios, right? Build scenarios, build execution for each scenarios. And once one of the scenarios plays out, boom, execute. That's it.
By the way, Raf, Plan B, bro. Raf is my lifetime member. Bro, ignore everything Plan B is saying, man. Whenever you hear the word Plan B, go take a vomiting bag and take a shit, vomit, and run away. Man, everything, this is toxic. Everything he touched turns to shit, okay? He says last cycle Bitcoin going to 130 or whatever, or 250, he got wrecked. All his followers got wrecked. Now he's coming back. I didn't saw his latest prediction, but I think it is around 250. Not sure, bro. Ignore
It's
Plan,
250. It's
relax.
250.
Never. Everything. Plan B is the
Last cycle, he made people get wrecked. Last cycle, because he predicted $100,000.
130.
People bought the dip and they bought the breakout and they got wrecked because they were waiting for $100,000, right? They got wrecked, man.
Guys,
Don't listen to this. Don't listen to long-term predictions. No one can predict long-term. No one can predict. No one is God. No one is a prophet. CM, tell something about this. No one can predict.
His models are flawed. They are bullshit. The rainbow chart is done. Learn the rules of diminishing returns. Bitcoin is the returns on Bitcoin are diminishing every cycle. It's becoming more and more stable and less explosive. And these guys are still predicting the same Bitcoin of the 2018 cycle or the 2017 cycle or the 2014 cycle. It's not the same Bitcoin, man. It's not a shitcoin anymore. Bitcoin is now like an index. It's the index of crypto. Anyway, guys, make sure to smash the like. Guys, we're going to cover, even if we go bear market, we're going to show you how to short. We're going to show you stuff to make money. Leave us a like. Share it on Twitter, guys, because
we already are showing.
Yeah. This is the place you want to be subscribed to, not to all the moon boys, the stupid moon boys that got you wrecked already. You are down 80% on your turbo. You are down 90% on whatever nonsense you're buying, man. This is the channel, so please give us some love. Click the like, man. Click the like.
Differentiate between people that try to give you picks, like they are clairvoyants, and people that try to give you knowledge, right? We are here to give you knowledge. We're here to give you a skill set, not picks, because we're trying to teach you how to fish in a sense. Yeah, sold to $90. Wait for a fake bounce, man. I mean, if you want a short, wait for a bull for a bear flag. Don't short me there.
Bounce. Yeah.
Exactly. Like a bounce. Wait for a setup. Look. Learn some technical analysis, buddy. Just a little bit, Gerald. All right. Learn some price action. Don't ask us exactly what to do, okay? Because we can't tell you, because we don't know the future, how it will look like. We can't tell you that right now it's just falling. So we can't short something that is just falling, okay? You need to wait for something that can help you get into a trade with a low risk and high asymmetric reward. Again, people don't understand that sometimes you can be right on the trade but wrong on the timing. And that's why you need to find areas where you can put a stop loss that makes sense. For example, a bear flag can help you do that.
Yeah, man. Wait for a bounce, bear flag, and yeah, man, make some money. Oh, guys, if you have any questions, drop them now, because we're gonna make it nice and short and tidy now, because we're busy. We have some shorts to do, and some stuff to do. Yeah, make sure to like, leave subscribe, and yeah, if you want to join our community, 15% off with the link, man. You can
scan the QR code in the top left. Scan the QR code. It will take you to the page I showed earlier, right? Where I showed the shorts, our WAP. Get in. Some people buy the courses. Some people join the memberships. And of course, a free way to support us is to like, subscribe, join our tweeters as well, right? Make sure to retweet and subscribe, or follow us on Twitter as well. You can find our Twitter handles in the bottom. One CM will change it later on. It's still showing the discount, CM. So if you want to show the
leave the Twitter they have they know
they have it already.
They know it.
Perfect.
Mr. Right. Peter, Mr. Peter, man, I know you're a Kaspa Maxi, but again, we also Kaspa Maxis, but we don't hold downtrends.
We don't hold downtrends.
Remember, you should have in the mind. Let's say you are a belief. You are a Kaspa Maxi, but because you trade crypto, you gotta understand the big belief. Never hold a downtrend. Never. It will destroy you. It doesn't matter what they told you. Oh, the KRC. What's the name? KRC. Oh,
KRC20, KRC20. The smart contracts.
The 10 BPS. Ooh, the tech. Ooh. Who gives an F, man? It's going down with Bitcoin. It have no
CM. You gotta see this. Michael Saylor said, sell a kidney if you must, but keep the Bitcoin. Now, Christoph said it, and I've seen it, and I actually said here, I wrote, it says everyone who ever lost a shitload of money gambling, I wrote on this motherfucker, because he's sell a kidney if you must. I mean, to be honest, CM, even though I do have, maybe it's wishful thinking that I want us to keep going up, it doesn't really matter, but this is not a good sign. I mean, the main Bitcoin, Schiller is saying stupid stuff. This is it's
like
desperation.
He's talking like a newborn.
Yeah, it's desperation a little bit. Sell a kidney if you must, but keep the bit. It is desperation, man. I don't like it, man. I smell blood, man. I don't know. He's hurting. He's hurting like a motherfucker.
He's hurt. He just took a uppercut to the kidney, man.
Yeah, exactly. Look what Peter Schiff says. First, you told people to max out their credit cards and mortgage their homes to buy Bitcoin. Now you're telling them to sell off their organs. Have you no shame? These people, man. Billionaires fighting. It's funny.
Peter Schiff is a gangster, man. I like Peter Schiff. I like Peter Schiff, man. And really, Peter Schiff is, the way he's been riding the gold train for like centuries, man. Centuries. The guy is a dinosaur, man. I like him. When he tweet, I like him, man. It's funny.
You like basically, I think you like people that are kind of misogynists, man. Those people that they don't give a fuck. And that's the people you like.
I like him, man. He says whatever he thinks.
Oh, man.
He don't give an F. He don't give an F.
He's cool. He's cool. I think. Look, I prefer like perma bears than perma bulls. Because at least the perma bears, they keep you protected in some way, right? For him, they keep you protected. The perma bulls can get you wrecked. Perma bears, no harm, no foul. Maybe you don't make money if you follow them, but at least you don't get wrecked, man. So,
by the way, Peter, when you join, make sure you take the link here. Okay, sorry, the coupon. If you join with a card, the coupon, and you get 4 months. Okay, you get 4 months. You get 1 month for free with the discount. So that's amazing deal, man. Check it out. And if you want to pay crypto, shoot me a message on the email.
Yeah. He's saying as well that maybe Bitcoin is a scam. Everything is crypto.
No. Wait.
Hey, I have a big long-term position, so you can't tell me that I'm wrong. We need to protect people. Everything is crypto once prices go down, okay? But if you want to start eventually going into something that makes sense, it's Bitcoin. It's the only one that makes sense eventually, okay? You know how I'm a long-term, believer in Bitcoin, but I sell when I think we get to tops, and I'm a cycle kind of hodler in that sense. I buy when bear market starts and I sell when bull markets are over. Not the bottom and tops exactly, but so it's not a scam, but we need to be careful about what we tell people here.
Bitcoin is not a scam. It's the next Bitcoin bear. We're gonna buy the Bitcoin on the lows.
But the mindset is that everything is crypto. Don't just fall for it.
Oh yeah, for sure. Man, we at the moment we're running out of time, so we cannot do that.
Don't short anything right now. Okay.
Don't short anything right now, man. Not now. The entry of the short. I'm just gonna show you the entry of the short. A few entries. What you need to look for, but you don't want to short now because this is high risk now. Okay, where is this stuff? 1 second.
Yeah, it is high risk, no small risk. Roger is saying thank you for the ultra cheap Caspa, Mr. Market. Oh, Roger, come on, give us credit, man. I thought we pushed the price down.
that was your entry, sir. The guy that asked about Ethereum short. That was your entry. Now you just sweep the low here, so you can get a bounce here. Okay, it could be a double bottom even. I don't think so, but this is not the time to short. Your trigger for short was or here, or definitely here if you hold from here. So you had in February, we actually shorted here, Ethereum, and here. Okay.
Yeah.
That was amazing execution, man. Fucking amazing. Now you don't want to short. Now, the better trade is long, but I'm not gonna long it. I don't say you should long it, but
From a
don't wanna
risk to
short.
reward standpoint, what CM says makes sense. And hey, CM, show them. Let's say you took the short. Now, where can you put the stop? You don't have a place
Yeah.
to logically put a stop loss. So that's why we say higher risk. However, if you took the short when CM said, you could have put, a stop loss, above the pivot at the half of the day, and the invalidation of it would make sense. Okay. That's why we say low risk, high asymmetrical reward, because when you have an invalidation point you can trust, that's the low risk you can use for a stop loss.
And that's, Jomo, that bear flag here that you see on Ethereum and you see on many, many alts, for me, that's bear market. When they start forming bear flags and cannot rally, behold, my friends, because Bitcoin, I believe, on this bounce will do the same thing. Will do a bear flag and will take everything to wrecked city, my friend. Ooh la la. And in that notion, smash the like, share this tweet, share this live stream with people. Join our community if you want to make money in a bear market, sir. We will make money. We are making money all the time. Now we are in profit while you are down 80, 60, 90, holding rubbish coins in downtrend. We make money and we invite you to join us. We give you a nice discount. You're gonna get access to all our education, man. This is the time to stop watching filthy moon boys from the toilet. Take this time and put it invest it in education, in trading education. Join a community of traders like me and Jomo, and you're gonna make filthy money, man. Easy, no stress, man. You're gonna make money. You are holding rubbish, losing all your hair. Your testosterone levels are declining dramatically with the market. You cannot even bang your wife anymore because of all your stress. And you're miserable and you're losing all the money. What else do you need? What more sign? You want God to come down from his world to you and right hook you? What do you want?
Right hook you.
What do you want to do? What will make you change the hodler mindset? What will make you quit the effing moon boys from the toilet pics? What will wake you up? Tell me. I want to know. God. I'm out.
CM is out, everybody. CM is out. We gave him enough hard work for today. CM, until next time, no edge.
No trade.